Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data export in Salesforce. First, navigate to the Setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Then, in the Quick Find box, type Data Export and select the option that appears. This is your starting point for managing all your data export needs within Salesforce, ensuring you can access your valuable information whenever necessary. Before initiating an export, it is crucial to confirm your user permissions. You need the export data permission to proceed. Next, decide on your export frequency. You can schedule it weekly or monthly. Finally, carefully select the data objects you want to include, such as accounts, contacts, or opportunities, to ensure you capture all necessary information for your purposes. Once your selections are made, you have two options. You can click Export Now to generate a data file immediately, which is useful for one-time backups. Alternatively, choose Schedule Export to set up a recurring export, ensuring your data is regularly backed up without manual intervention. Remember to check the box to include images, documents, and attachments if those are critical for your export. After the export process completes, you will receive an email notification with a link to download your data file. Return to the Data Export page in Salesforce Setup to find your generated file. It will be available for download for 48 hours. The data is provided in a standard comma-separated values format, making it easy to open and analyze in spreadsheet programs or integrate into other systems for further use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.